Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of scientific engineering. Today we are going to present you a video on how global warming affects the Earth. Okay, so let's start. The world is getting hotter because of the global warming effect. It is not good because it ruins the natural environment. But the global warming effect is being increased every year. When factories around the world pump out wastes such as sulfur dioxide, which usually forms acid rain, it destroys the ozone layer and let the ultraviolet rays of the sun into the Earth's crust, which decreases the amount of oxygen. Even cars are getting to the threat of global warming as they split out the poisonous wastes such as carbon monoxide, which is very poisonous for our breathing and looking directly into it. There are many more effects which can end the cool environment, but don't think humans can even end from this. We should keep the environment clean so we can earn a safer and cooler Earth. So this is the end of the video and we hope you find much better on effects of global warming with us. Thank you.